Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I did this fun Valentine's Day date night look for you guys. I love how it turned out with the bold lip. I don't do a lot of bold lips, but when I do, it's for a special occasion like this. So I hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial. As always, I do put on the bottom of the screen as I'm applying them the names of the products and the shades. And if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you are coming back, thank you so much for supporting me as my journey continues with my YouTube channel. I do have a goal of 300 subs by my birthday, which is the end of March, so let's see what we can do about that. I do have a full-time job, so this is like a side hobby of mine, and when I have time I get to sit down and play with makeup, which is my stress reliever, my favorite thing to do. So let's just jump right into this tutorial. Pressing it into my face is a little sticky, but it is like hydrating. And if you like the smell of rose, this will be great for you. If you do not, probably skip this product. And this is what did come in, I think, my October Ipsy Glam bag. So we're gonna let that kind of sit for just a second. And if you watched a couple of my previous videos, this was the foundation I used for my wedding. I'm just going to try 2 pumps and see how far that gets me, and I am trying Morphe's Beauty Sponge. Well, right off the bat, this sponge is a lot firmer than a beauty blender. I don't think any sponge matches Beauty Blender. And I am a big fan of Beauty Blender just because of how it feels on my face and how it works with product. But I mean, so far this isn't doing a bad job. I think it's just a preference of the texture and like how firm you like your sponge to be with putting in your foundation.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá.
The smell of this makes me think I'm back in Hawaii or something like that. But again, I don't have a tan on, so I'm just gonna go a little bit lighter. But I just do it in the same areas, kind of around my forehead, along the hairline, and then the jawline as well for a little bit of definition. So gorgeous.
oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá.
And just start buffing that into the crease.
A través de la gran oscuridad y más allá.
I love new stuff just for that. Now I can see better in the mirror. I'm going to kind of bring that out a little bit towards the edge. Okay, so I like how that is sitting. Let's go ahead and take the lightest shade in the palette with the same brush, because it's going to make it a little bit deeper, and just go along under the brow bone. And this is a double-ended Tarte brush. This was a back to school set. Got it a while ago. But we're going to go ahead and press into the crease with this pink shade. And then once it's kind of where you want it, I would blend it out just a little bit. And I'm going to go a little bit higher up than where my brow, or where my crease is, just because of my slightly hooded eyes. So I'm going to kind of set it a little bit on the occipital bone, the eye bone that you can just feel right there. And keeping that beat out shape. So I'm liking how that looks. I'm going to keep with the same brush and go in with the darkest shade here. And I'm going to put that on the whole outer V on the lid as well.
De la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad y más seremos miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno ves horizontes, seremos miles, más y más allá.
I soften that transition from the cut crease to the deepest shade with that middle shade pink that we use kind of up in to deepen the crease. And I'm going to use the clean side of this double-ended brush and just kind of go over the edge to diffuse it just a little bit. Okay, looks good. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, I did both eyes with the cut crease. I really like how it turned out. And I am going to go ahead and do the lower lash line. I think I'm going to be using a brown liner on the waterline. This is a pencil liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line. Cold gel liner in black and just do the top really quick. Beverly Hills, and go in with this medium pink. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe away all of the powder. I think I'm going to go ahead and put my eyebrows on off camera, and then we'll come back and do a winged liner. This is the completed eye look, and if you want to have a little bit extra volume, you could put some fake lashes on, but I really like how it turned out. So actually, I don't have a lot of Ofra products. I have a sample and then this one. Wow, I like it. It is a very pigmented.
Quiero oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos.